Hi, I'm consumer technology expert Katie Linendoll, and I am hooking you up with some amazing holiday gifting ideas. And I have to say, it is a pleasure to be partnered with such dynamic brands. And let's start in the world of laptops. Lots of options out there. What is the best of the best? You can see right in front of me this stunning display. This is the HP Pavilion X360. And if you're looking for a great laptop for yourself, or perhaps there's a student in the fam, well, this is a laptop or a tablet, whatever you'd like it to be, and great for both productivity and entertainment. And it's all about mobility, jam packed with the latest specs. Let me hook you up with a few. Compact and lightweight design with this stunning display, as I noted earlier, but also 13 hours of battery life and also speed and power with the latest Intel 10th generation processor. And of course, all the multiple audio ports, multiple ports that you need, and fantastic audio. So great from HP, the HP Pavilion X360. And a big question I always get asked is, what are the best headphones out there? Shure is one of the top audio companies out there, and they have decades of studio experience. For consumers looking for top notch studio quality sound, they have introduced their first ever wireless headphones, the Shure Aonic 50. Highly engineered, various modes available for noise cancellation, 20 hours of battery life, available in three colors, and just fantastic for the student, the work from homer, as I like to call them, or even the music lover. I just have to say, as a musician and as a techie myself, fantastic company, sure. And then for the kids, let's talk about some kids options for a hot second. Lego Dots. Lego Dots is a new theme from Lego, and these are kits made for ages 6 and up. And it is all about designing and assembling and creating custom projects from trendy, fashionable bracelets to organization and room decor. You can see that my niece and I made 4 bracelets over the weekend, and we just had so much fun building and designing together. So, very fun from Lego Dots. And P.S., I have to say, parents are going to perk up on this one. The packaging also doubles as a storage container, which is genius. All right, let's talk about a few more gadget options. The GoPro Hero 9 Black is a fantastic camera. GoPro's been a go to of mine for over a decade. And their latest iteration, new front facing display and larger rear display. Also, easy to sync smartphone app, hyper smooth stabilization, and waterproof down to 33 feet. So, awesome option if you're looking for that video maker in your life. And also, a nice companion to that is the Zeus Mini. It's right here, and it's a little tiny but powerful gadget because it allows you to really light any shot with multiple brightness modes. Awesome option to pair with the Hero 9 Black. And last but certainly not least, if the iPhone 12 is going to be a very popular holiday gadget, but don't make the investment without protecting your phone, of course. OtterBox, known in the world of cases, and they have awesome cases available from rough and rugged to stylish and slim, starting at under $40. And now, even two new cases accommodating the iPhone 12, which are made for MagSafe. So, very practical gift for anyone needing a new case. And I think we all know someone. To check out all of these gift ideas, head on over to techgifts.tv and have an amazing holiday.